In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a user in ERPNext. We'll walk through the entire process from the main dashboard so you can follow along step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what details you need to fill in to successfully add a new user to your ERPNext system. First, make sure you're logged into your ERPNext account and that you have the right permissions to manage users. Typically, you'll need to be an administrator or have similar access. Starting from the home page or main workspace, look for the Users section. This is usually available from the main menu or the sidebar. Go ahead and click on Users. This will take you to the area where all user-related settings and records are managed. Once you're on the Users page, you'll see a list of existing users in your system. From here, what you want to do is open the User Master, where individual user records are created and edited. Look for the option or button labeled User and click on it. This confirms that you're working with individual user profiles rather than any other related settings. Now that you're viewing the user list, you're ready to create a new one. At the top right, or sometimes near the list header, you should see a button labeled Add User or New. Click on Add User. This will open a blank user form where you can enter all the necessary information for the new person you're adding. On this form, carefully fill in the user details. At a minimum, you'll typically enter the user's full name and email address. The email is important because it's often used as the username and for sending login invitations or password reset links. Depending on your setup, you may also see options for assigning roles, setting the user's language, time zone, or tagging them to a specific branch or department. Take a moment to choose the correct roles, because this determines what the user can see and do inside ERPNext. Double check everything you enter here, especially the email address and any permissions. When all the details look correct and you're happy with the configuration, it's time to save the new user record. Find the Save button, usually at the top right of the form, and click on Save. ERPNext will then create the user and, if configured, may automatically send an invitation email so they can set their password and log in. And that's it. You've successfully created a user in ERPNext, starting from the Users page, opening the user form, filling in the